Hello everyone, happy Friday and happy end of the semester. I am really happy that this crazy semester is over, and I'm hoping that next semester will be a little bit more face-to-face. I miss you guys a lot. And today I just got this new book. It's called Be You by Peter Reynolds. He's one of my favorite authors and children's illustrators. He wrote the book The Dot, so you might remember that and be familiar with that. When I got this book, I wanted so badly to read it aloud to you in class, but obviously that isn't going to happen. So I'm going to read it aloud to you over YouTube. Here we go. It's called Be You by Peter Reynolds, and there's a cute little swirly frame that you could give it to someone. Dedicated to Stefani Germanato and who she became. Be you. You were born to be so many things. My wish for you, no matter where your journey leads, is for you to always be you. Be ready to take that next step toward being an amazing human being. Be curious. Turn every stone, ask every why, and keep digging deeply. Discover your own answers. Be adventurous. Live a big life. When you are ready, step outside your comfort zone. Bravely explore new paths and see where they lead you. Be connected. Find kindred spirits. Be with those who make you feel like the real you. Be persistent. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Be different. Be silly, be quirky, be odd, be unique, be weird, be colorful, be okay with being different. Be just the way you are. Be kind, be understanding. Help those around you to be themselves. Listen and listen some more. Learn more about who they are. Be brave. Try new things. Take a deep breath and plunge forward into new experiences. It gets easier every time you try. Be your own thinker. Think for yourself and set your own unique course. It isn't always easy, but you'll be heading in the direction of you. Be okay being alone. Take time to be on your own. Hear your own thoughts, your inner voice. Listen to your heart. Be patient. Being more you takes time. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let your future unfold at its own pace. It will be worth the wait. Be okay reaching out for help. When you need a helping hand, a compassionate ear, an encouraging word, reach out. As you voyage out into the world, remember, no matter what, you will always be loved. You are ready, so go ahead. Be you. Be very, very you. The end. So I hope as you guys finish your work this week, that was a shout out from Sage. As you finish everything this week for school and go into summer, whether you're going to school or whether you're going to enjoy your summer, school might be enjoyable, but you know what I'm saying. Remember to be you. Most important thing. It took me probably 35 years to really discover who I was and to be myself. And sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to not put on a brave, happy face when you're feeling sad, or to not pretend everything's okay. But I encourage you to continue learning and growing and Be You. Highly recommend this book. All right, stay inside today and change the world.